Yes guys, back with another video. In this video we will be learning about why JavaScript, why we need to learn JavaScript and why we need to use JavaScript and what are the advantages of JavaScript. So we will be learning all of these things in this video. So make sure that guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that whenever I come up with some new videos, crash courses, tutorials and all the technology related videos, you will be notified. So yes guys, why we need JS, why we need to learn JavaScript? It is because in order to interact with the users, so we can use JavaScript to make web pages alive. We can make some interaction with the users with some pop-up messages and notifications. As we have noticed, whenever you open some websites, you will get some notification window and pop-up messages in in bottom corner. So all of those things can be done by JS. So user interaction comes to the point. And then the client side processing. So JS can be used for some processing like data processing and text processing, a calculation and all of the things that we need to run some logic and get the output from that. All of those things can be done on the client side in the browser with the help of JavaScript. So there is no need to hit the servers and get the results from the servers and show to the users in the browser. Of course, we need the servers for server side processing, but there is no necessary to do all the things in the servers and get back to the result to the browser. So all the things that should be done on the client side processing will be done and can be done with the help of JavaScript. So this is a huge advantage. And as we have studied, it is already we have learned that it is for processing. Similarly, we can do some kind of error handling, like whenever there is some errors in our application, we can handle that at the right time and give the right message to the user with the help of JS. So this is can be done, and this is also an advantage too. And we can do some validation in web pages like form validation and field validation and all of those regular expression. We can have some kind of client side validation with the help of JavaScript. And then if we use JavaScript, we are making a less server interaction. So whenever we are doing with some client side processing, error handling and validation, there is no need to do all of this processing, error handling and validation in the servers. So the performance is increased because we are making the less use of servers. There is no need to hit the server and get the things from the servers. So less server interaction comes to the point whenever we are dealing with JavaScript. So it is also an advantage. And the thing is, guys, it is fully integrated in HTML and CSS. So we can change any HTML element. We can hide, delete, add, insert, modified, do all the things related to HTML and CSS, which can be done with the help of JavaScript. And lastly, it is so easy to learn and it is so easy to develop. Guys, it can't be explained with words because since it has derived from Java. If you have some background knowledge about Java, C++ and all of those things, learning JavaScript is nothing actually, guys. It's so easy. And lastly, guys, if you have mastered JavaScript, you can learn all the recent trending modern technologies like Angular, React, and Node.js. So these guys, Angular, React, Node.js are totally based on JavaScript. So if you have learned and mastered JavaScript, there is no big deal in learning Angular, React, and Node.js. So this is totally, taking you to the modern technology, trending technology that is Angular JS, Angular, React, and Node.js thing. So that guys, these are the advantages of JavaScript. I hope that I have made some huge points in order to explain you guys about why we need to use JavaScript and what are the advantages and what other technologies we can learn by learning JavaScript. Yes guys, this is all about it, and these are the advantages and these are the reasons and these are the things why we need to study JavaScript. I hope that I have made you clear about all of these things, and see you in the next video.